Let's pretend we are train conductors. I have to drive the train from the village to the city and take all the passengers to the train station. Would you like to help me? First, we have to finish laying down the tracks. The last pieces are right here. Click on each section of track to pick it up, then put it in the right place. As soon as you are finished, I will be able to drive to the city. Good job. Good job. Well done. Good job. Now it's time for the grown-up to play. Here's the city. Now we have to enter the station. Do you see these switches? Click on the arrows to turn these circles and line up the tracks. Once the tracks are lined up and clear of any obstacles, the train will drive into the station. That's great. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. All the passengers made it to the station. Now, let's play a game that's a little more challenging. I don't want you to get bored. Well done. Well done. That's great. Good job. Well done. That's great. That's great. Well done. That's great. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. All the passengers made it to the station. Now, let's play a game that's a little more challenging. I don't want you to get bored. That's great. Well done. Good job. Well done. That's great. Well done. That's great. That's great. Good job. Well done. Well done. Well done. That's great. That's great. Good job. All the passengers made it to the station. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. Well done. That's great. That's great. Good job.